The Security Minister, Robert Montague, today issued a charge to the new board of the Firearm Licensing Authority, FLA, telling members they will have to help restore public confidence in the scandal-engulfed entity. Mr. Montague issued that mandate as he announced the members of the new board at a press briefing in St. Andrew today. In September, a 5-member board was announced, then withdrawn because Cabinet had not given approval. Former Chairman Dennis Wright was on that list. As TVJ's Anthony Lugg reports, 4 names from that September list are on this board, except Mr. Wright.
All smiles. The members of the Firearm Licensing Authority Board and the man who came to make their names known to the nation. The chairman is the National Security Advisor and former JDF boss Major General Anthony Anderson. He's joined by retired Senior Puisne Judge Justice Marva McIntosh, retired Senior Superintendent of Police Albert Edwards, retired Civil Servant Ina Rose, and banker Anicia Nita. The new board comes 2 months after controversy erupted amidst claims that gun licenses were allegedly being issued to criminals. It's why the Security Minister says the new board has a tall order.
The mandate to the new authority is to go in, is to enhance the systems that are there, is to clean out any corruption that they would have hit upon, and is to make the FLA that agency that is beyond reproach.
And to ensure this, the Security Minister says new systems are being implemented to bridge the gaps at the FLA. Senior staff members will have to be polygraphed. Firearms at police stations and storage facilities at the FLA left for long periods are being recovered. And Security Minister defended the issue of ammunition accountability.
But what we have discovered is that not all the rounds are being used on some ranges. Let me be very careful. On some ranges. And therefore, there is that leakage where there was one instance where an inspection was done at a private firearm holder and he had upwards of 3,000 rounds in his possession. Another leakage, another possible leakage, where persons would maybe go onto a range, they go onto the range but they empty their magazines, and they go onto the range with empty magazines. Then they purchase rounds and they fill their magazines and walk away. It's difficult even for the range owner to monitor when a person is doing that.
So come Tuesday, the new board is expected to take office, and by the looks of things, there's quite a task. However, the new chairman says they're prepared.
Our first order of business will be getting a series of briefings from the CEO and his team to update us on what has been happening and what are the things we need to address. From my other hat as National Security Advisor, I'm aware that there have been measures already being put in place to address some of the things, but that is, my awareness is not as in-depth, obviously, as it will be once we get the briefings.
The new board will be in place for 3 years. Shane Dalling remains the CEO. Anthony Lugg, TVJ News.